What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to use PlaySafe on Steam, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So for you that did not know, basically in the 2010, so if you were living under a rock, Valve welcomed PlaySafeCard to Steam. So Valve today announced that Steam is a leading worldwide platform for PC and Mac games, has added PlaySafeCard to its collection of payment options for customers in many European countries. In celebration, customers who spend $20 €20 or £20 on Steam using PlaySafeCard will receive a free copy of Portal, the groundbreaking title that earned over 40 Game of the Year awards when they shop before August 25th. So that happened in the 2010. So supported countries are Austria, Belgium, Czech Republic, Denmark, France, Germany, Greece, Ireland, Italy, Luxembourg, Netherlands, Norway, Portugal, Poland, Slovakia, Slovenia, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, and the UK. The addition of PlaySafeCard makes it easier than ever to purchase and play any of the 1,200 plus games. For more info basically and promotional codes, go to steamgames.com/paysafecard. So basically guys, how to use it? Well, just connect your PaySafeCard as a payment method to your Steam and use it. So guys, basically that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.